General Science, lesson number 3, Force and Pressure. We see day-to-day activities like walking, running, jumping, driving, eating a ball, catching a ball, goalkeeping, a fruit falling from the tree. These are some type of forces. A stationary object on which no force is acting remains stationary. An object in motion continues to move with the same speed and direction when no force is acting on the object. This is Newton's first law of motion. Push is an applied force intended to drive, and pull is an action which acts in direction of the origin of force. Generally, forces are described as push or pull on an object. Force moves a stationary object. It also stops or changes the direction of a moving object. It can be classified into contact and non-contact forces. Folding, twisting, stretching, squeezing, etc. are common forces. At least two objects must physically or non-physically interact for a force to play a role. If forces are applied on an object in same direction, then the net force will be sum of both the forces. In case forces are applied on an object in opposite direction, then the net force will be difference of both the forces. Contact force. A force acting through a direct contact or via one or more object is called contact force. Contact force acts along the surface. Contact force is caused by two objects that are physically touching each other. All mechanical forces are contact forces. It acts on a point of direct contact between two objects. Contact forces is governed by Newton's law. Muscular force, normal force, applied force, spring force, tensional force, friction force are examples of contact forces. Muscular force, that is a force resulting due to the action of muscles, is a contact force which is applied in basic day-to-day work of life such as breathing, digestion, pulling, lifting, pushing, walking, catching, etc. Normal force, applied force, spring force, reaction force, air resistance force, friction force, tensional force are the examples of contact forces. Normal force, it is when nothing is happening to an object. It is the force that any surface exerts on any other object. It is a pushing back force. Applied force is a force which applying someone to another object. Applied force happens when push or pull motion moves an object. Spring force is created by compressed or stretched spring that could push or pull. Reaction force, an object at rest on a surface experiences reaction force. Air resistance force, an object moving in air experiences air resistance force. Friction force, two objects to sliding past experiences friction force. Tensional force, an object that is being stretched experiences tensional force. It happens to cable or wire. It pulls equally at both ends a cable. Non-contact force. a force is applied between two objects are not in contact, such a force is called a non-contact force. This force comes into rest when objects do not have physical contact between them or when force is applied without any interaction. These forces are either attractive or repulsive nature. A magnet, paperclip, moon's gravity, earth's gravity are some examples of non-contact forces. Forces like magnetic force, gravitational force, electrostatic force, nuclear force act without a contact. Therefore, these are the examples of non-contact forces. Examples of non-contact forces: gravitational force, magnetic force, electrostatic force, nuclear force are the examples of non-contact forces. And gravitational force. The most familiar example of non-contact force is gravitational force. It exerts everywhere in universe. It acts between two masses. It pulls objects towards each other. Objects are attracted to the earth due to the force of gravity. This force is applied by another body without any physical contact. Example: fruit falling down from tree. Magnetic force. Magnetic force acts between two bodies having magnetic properties. Unlike magnetic poles attract each other, while like magnetic poles repel each other. Example: iron pins attract two magnets. Electrostatic force. Electrostatic force acts between two charged bodies or objects at rest. Example: pieces of paper get attracted towards comb rubbed against hair. Nuclear force. Nuclear force acts between the protons and the neutrons of atoms. It binds protons and neutrons into atomic nuclei. Gravitational force is always attractive in nature, while electrostatic forces and magnetic forces can be either attractive or repulsive. Friction force. Friction is a contact force. Friction is a force that opposes the movement between two touching surfaces. Without friction force, object can remain in motion. Friction occurs whenever two surfaces rub against each other. It is acting in the opposite direction of the motion, means friction is a force that always opposes motion. It resists the sliding or rolling of solid objects over each other. Friction produces heat. Sometimes it reduces the efficiency of machines. Friction can be increased by using rough surface or by using materials like rubber that have lot of friction. Friction can be decreased by using smooth surface or by using lubricants like oil, grease, etc. Friction is important for walking, writing, driving, etc. It has great importance in daily life. Static friction, sliding friction, rolling friction, fluid friction, air resistance frictions are some types of frictions. walking, writing, skating, lighting of matchstick, flight of aeroplane, driving a vehicle on a surface, drilling a nail into the wall are the some common friction forces. Force is push or pull. A force is applied by touching an object is contact force. A force is applied without touching an object is non-contact force. A force that resists the movement between two objects in contact is friction force. Different types of forces are contact forces and non-contact forces. Muscular force and friction are the examples of contact forces, while magnetic force, electrostatic force, and gravity are the examples of non-contact forces. Some common examples of contact forces: number 1, pushing a toy car with hand. Number 2, lifting paper pieces with hand. Number 3, a dog being pulled by his owner. Number 4, ball hit by the bat. Number 5, people engage in fighting. Some common examples of non-contact forces: number 1, moving a car with the help of magnet. Number 2, lifting the paper pieces with comb rubbed against hair. Number 3, an apple falling from the tree. Number 4, fridge door getting closed automatically.